Welding is not just a skill, it's an art form that requires precision, skill, and creativity. Los Angeles has become a hub for welding education and innovation. Trade Tech offers 2 comprehensive welding programs to prepare students for a wide range of welding careers, including structural welding, pipe welding, and fabrication. These highly skilled welders are prepared to work in various industries, such as construction, aerospace, and manufacturing, locally and globally. Our certificate and degree programs in welding, gas and electric, and gas tungsten arc welding are designed for individuals seeking entry-level positions in the field. With approximately 21 hours per week of hands-on training using lab applications, students gain the necessary skills for fabrication work, construction work, job shops, and other entry to mid-level related jobs. Our welding program is a certified welding test center, so students can take required certification exams on site. By fulfilling program requirements, graduates will have the necessary skills for all positions related to welding. So let the sparks fly and head towards a successful career in welding.